Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. Today we're going to talk about the Binance WOOFi Airdrop, which is worth $100,000. So I'm going to share with you the steps how you can get yourself eligible to share this particular airdrop. But before I can proceed with the video, I would request you to kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have not done yet, please do not forget to press the bell icon. Besides that, you're going to find a few links. Make sure you join the Telegram group because that's the place where you get most of the updates. So on this note, let's move ahead and understand how to go ahead and get this particular airdrop. So the Binance Web3 wallet airdrop, which is worth 100,000, is up for grabs, and the step-by-step process I'm explaining you, I'm going to as well drop a link in the comment section so you can follow it in case you missed out on anything. So the activity starts from 23rd Jan 2024 until the 5th of February 2024. So how to participate? You just need to ensure that you're logged in into your Binance account and then click the join now button. So you'll be moving on to the activity page. And once you're in, you just need to follow the following missions. So the first one is to complete a cross-chain swap from any token to WOO with a minimum amount of 100 WOO on the Arbitrum blockchain. So the price pool for this is $20,000 in WOO tokens. Then you stake a total at least 100 WOO on Arbitrum in the WOOFi wallet, which is $20,000, the price pool for that. Then deposit a total of at least 0.01 Ethereum into WOOFi's vault on Arbitrum, again $20,000 in WOO tokens. Then you need to deposit a total of at least 25 USDC to WOOFi Pro via Arbitrum, that again is $20,000, and you need to trade a total of at least $250 equivalent on WOOFi Pro, that again is $20,000 in WOO tokens. So this sums up to around 100,000 in WOO tokens. So you need to know that users can tap on the verify task status button on the activity page to check the mission is successfully completed. So each time you do something, you complete a task, make sure you click on the verified task status. The reward for each qualified participant is capped at $25 in WOO tokens per mission. So supposing you do all the 25 missions, you are entitled to a max of $125 in WOO tokens. Users can qualify to receive a maximum of 125. That's what it states. So wish you good luck, and do like this video, do share it across. Until the next video, take care and be safe.